This 2026 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 29 RLWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features a Umber Luxe interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, external shower, slide-out, smoke detector, skylight, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.